Hey everyone, welcome to my channel The Warrior Trader. Now let's go for trading. Before start trading, firstly, we go to indicator section and select the desired indicator. In this video, use the period 12. Today use the indicator successful trading session and make a profit day trading. This video is divided in 3 parts. Number 1. What is the momentum indicator? Number 2. Key components. Number 3. How to use the momentum indicator strategy. Number 1. What is the momentum indicator? The momentum indicator is a technical analysis tool used to measure the rate of change or speed of a financial asset's price movement. It helps traders identify trends, strength, and potential reversals in the market. Number 2. Key component signals to look for. Positive momentum, above 0. Indicates upward strength and potential for further gains. Price is moving higher compared to past prices. Negative momentum, below 0. Suggests downward strength and potential for further losses. Price is moving lower compared to past prices. Momentum crossovers. When the indicator crosses above the 0 line, it may signal a buy opportunity. When it crosses below the 0 line, it could indicate a sell opportunity. Divergence. Bullish divergence. Price is making lower lows, but the momentum indicator is making higher lows, a sign of a possible trend reversal upward. Bearish divergence. Price is making higher highs, but the momentum indicator is making lower highs, a signal of potential downward reversal. Number 3. How to use the momentum indicator in trading. Trend confirmation. Use it to confirm the direction and strength of an existing trend. Overbought and oversold conditions. Extremely high values may indicate the market is overbought and due for a pullback. Extremely low values may indicate the market is oversold and could bounce back. Final tips. Momentum indicators work best in trending markets. Avoid relying solely on it. Use additional confirmation tools. Always set stop-loss orders to manage risk. boost your trading. Success with my expert signal service. I provide 5 to 10 daily trading signals to help you make profitable trades. Simply subscribe to my YouTube channel for market analysis and join my Telegram channel to receive real-time signals. Check my track record to see my successful trades. By following my signals, you can increase your profits and achieve financial goals. No experience needed, my expert guidance helps you trade with confidence. Thank you for watching. Join me in the next video for more trading insights. Must subscribe my YouTube channel and Telegrams for more videos.